React Router is the standard routing library for React. I've opened up the npm page for React Router, and here we have a short explanation how we need to install this library into our app. So it's saying that if we're writing an application that will run in the browser, you should install instead React Router DOM. So let's do that. Open up your command line and let's type in npm install. Of course, we want to save it. React Router DOM. Now that we have React Router DOM installed on our application, open up index.js and import browser router from React Router DOM, and we need to wrap around our app component inside this component. And this will keep track of your UI in sync with the URL. Save index.js, and let's open our containers series index. And what I want to do next is copy the intro code. I'll just delete it from our app component and paste it into the series component just above the input. Of course, don't forget to import intro from intro. Save series container, close it, and we don't need the intro anymore here as well. Save that. We're seeing the same result, but we just made our app component a little bit cleaner and moved the intro component into the series container. Okay. The next step is to create an additional component. We'll call it main, and here we'll have all of our routes. So I need to import React from React. I also need to import the switch component and also the route component from React Router DOM. Then I'll create the main component, pass it props, and I'll return a switch. And inside that switch, for now, I'll have only one route, exact path, and the component will be series. Let's export the main component, and of course I also need to import the series container from series container. Okay, save index.js, and inside our app component, let's delete the series container so we won't be actually rendering it inside the app component, but we'll render the main component from main. Okay, and I'll copy and paste it here. Save the app component, go back to the page, and nothing has changed. But right now we're actually using React Router DOM to render our series container. And in the next lesson we'll add an additional page, and then you'll see how we can render different pages with React Router DOM.